We are on our Doorway Explorer trail, discovering nature, discovering the wilderness. It is very nice and relaxing, and the sounds of the birds and the squirrels frolicking brings joy and delight.
I've never been happy trying to achieve the American dream. I find that the deeper I look, the more corrupt the system is, the more I realize how I became stuck in the rat race. My goal is to live off the grid, away from what society claims as the American dream, away from bills and the standards and requirements to fit into this box and be identified as an active member of society. It is not my dream or goal. We are not defined by our name, citizenship, skin color, our past experiences, our current experiences, job title, or the things that we own, or feeling ignored or disregarded by people. Realizing this brings me peace. And this beauty that was naturally created, everything is okay. There is healing and renewal after every storm. Everything that doesn't matter just seems to drift away.